What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. It's finally time to go pick up the bike, dog. Yesterday, they said they found a couple issues, like some of the bolts were stripped to get to the part that they needed to get to. So they got all that fixed, and they, of course, they charged us extra for that. They're not gonna hook us up at all, but you know, it is what it is. We got the bike all tidied up and ready to go, man. So let's head to Harley and hop on that thing and see if it rides any better. And yeah, let's go from there, man. Alrighty, guys, just pulled up to Harley, pick up the bike. We got 1 vet, 2 vet, 3 vet, no vet. Ooh, this one is nice though. I like this one. That one got the competition seats. That's the joint right there. But you know, let's see what how we rocking. Alrighty, guys, so we cashed out and it's about time to go. So let's see what we got. Right here, they got a bunch of bikes in here, dog. It's crazy. Okay. Got a little action. Well, we got no more leakage or anything like that, so yes, and there it is, guys. We got the Harley back. No leaks or nothing like that, so that's a plus. Okay. Bet. Yeah. Oh, they put a whole new line on and everything. All right, bet.
Yeah, you see the screw down there?
Yeah, the fresh one.
Yeah, that was broken.
Oh, wow.
And then one of these was broken and missing, so he put a new one in here, and then I think there was 2 new ones I had to replace.
Oh, okay, cool.
And then, yeah, just get new tires and you're good to go.
For sure, man. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
For looking out. Thank you.
Safe.
Alrighty, guys. We got the Harley back, man. Let's go drive over to the vet and get this thing all, get a helmet and get going, man. So we got the bike back there running, ready to go. We got our helmet right here. So let's hop on this bike. We got our Everything's Regular sweater, man. I don't got it on, it's kind of hot, but if you haven't already, visit everythingsregular.com, man. Go get you a mask or something if you don't find nothing that fit. I appreciate your support. Let's get it going now. Riding pretty smooth. It's nothing like my my red one, but you know, it's a nice little, it's something nice to ride, you know. My red one is definitely way faster than this. Got some giddy up on it, but you know, it is what it is. I know we take the vet on this ride every now and then, but I really like this ride way better with the bike. It's running really good. It's running better and everything. Looks cleaned up, it's shining in the sun, so that's a plus. Which I think about it so far, I just don't like this. How this windshield is like so high. It's like literally I gotta sit up so high just to see over that thing. But all in all, not that bad. I'm digging it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Feel me? It's out here on the highway, man, going up. This bike is riding pretty good. Got a nice little ride going. Beautiful out here today, man. Gonna take a ride with your boy, dog. We're getting closer to the mountains, man. This thing's gonna look gigantic. Look how huge it looks right now. Now look at that view. It does look a lot better, huh? Pretty nice little ride. We go on, well, I was going on with the black bike. I used to love this ride, man. Empty road, two-way road, just cruising. torque, but it's definitely something worth it. Man, we finally got a red light, man. I'm loving the bike, dog. It's a really good riding and looking bike. Like, this thing just looks so good. I got the tour pack back there. It's definitely not as powerful as the red bike, the CVO. I mean, different this is an 09 electric glide. The CVO is a 2012 street glide. So couple years there, but I just see the difference between the CVO and like a regular bike now. It's a lot different. So I don't know. I'm enjoying it though. I'm happy how the money was spent and you know what we got for what we paid. So that's a plus, man. What y'all thinking about it so far? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, visit everythingsregular.com and go copy some merch right now, man. We on our way. Probably gotta just go to the gas station real quick, head to the house. They done already pretty much cleaned it up for us, so we don't gotta do no cleaning. But I definitely want a different windshield, but we'll probably get that on another day. So I don't know, come roll with your boy and let's see. We have made it here, no issues. It's hot as heck out there. It's probably like 1 something, probably not even that. The bike say like 1 something though for sure. But as you guys see, no leaks or nothing like that. Bike looks good, runs good. Can't really say too much about the ride. I mean, it was a good ride. I didn't really see anything that stood out other than the power, of course, but you know, that comes with, you know, upgraded, you know, this is a 96, that's a 110. But other than that, I mean, it's a pretty nice bike, man. Definitely trying to get rid of it. I'm thinking I'm gonna sell it for like 9K or best offer, man. So if anybody out there is interested, go ahead and get at your boy. But I'm about to go up here and eat real quick because it is burning up. I'll probably take y'all on a strip in a little bit though. Just pulled up, man. Let's hope our Corvette is still here and we didn't get jacked. Let's see, I don't see it yet. Oh, I see it. I see my Babylicious. Everything's regular on the air freshener, man. If y'all just now tuning in, make sure y'all visit the channel. Got the vet out here, dog. As we back in the vet, man, y'all see I'm looking rough, man. I hopped on the bike yesterday and that sun wore me out. Like literally, I got back home and went right to sleep, dog. Freaking woke up, missed my whole haircut appointment, everything, man. So I'm a little upset, but it's cool. We're not looking too rough to where it's just like, dude, I need it today. But we on our way to go get this GoPro right now, man. I'm gonna get you guys some really, really great footage and provide some quality production, man. So you know, hope you guys enjoy this footage, dog. What's up, my G's and my gents? Back out here with another one. We in the vet. We got the GoPro. I hope y'all can hear me, man, because I don't know. I can finally save some battery on my phone now. Hold up. I know y'all gonna be like, bro, where's the seatbelt? Where's the seatbelt? Who's gonna be the first to say it? But yeah, guys, we got the GoPro set up and we rocking now, man, so we can finally get you guys that good footage that we all want to see and enjoy on YouTube, man. I can't wait to share it with you guys and actually see it for myself. You know, I've never had a well, I had a GoPro. My first GoPro, I lost it in freaking San Tropez. It's literally in the bottom of the ocean right now. So if you're in San Tropez and you got some scuba gear, man, go to the bottom of the ocean over there and look for my GoPro. I guarantee you'll find like the dopest footage, dog. Alrighty, we got Everything's Regular on the tape, man. Everythingsregular.com. Let's go hop on this bike, dog. Alrighty, you guys finally get the rock with your boy. Y'all finally get the rock with your boy, man. I've been waiting for y'all, dog. Been waiting for y'all, man. Alrighty guys, we are back, man. Getting a good ride in. I gotta go get some gas. The only thing that I'm really noticing about this thing, it always reads full, but I got the mileage on here that shows me how much until E, so it's actually 62 miles. So I'm not about to drive through the canyons or nothing like that on 62 miles. I'd rather be full tank up and good to go. I can't play with this bike like that. So we just gonna get some gas real quick and then get on up out of here, man. I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see what I see. I know y'all tired of seeing me, man. Shit. Everything I said is flat. I'm not the type of street nigga. Shot can really rap.
I'm round town with a Tommy gun and a jag, and you can disappoint the yelling RJ tied up in the back, man. Stop.
Alright, just pulled up to the gas station, man. Had to gas him up again. Whew. That thing clean, man. Of course it's gonna stop. But how y'all liking the GoPro footage, man? Let your boy know. Uh-oh. It looks like it's full already. That's crazy. It can't be full. I don't think it's full, but 2 gallons will do. Alrighty guys, man, next day here, man. We got the vet, we got the bike. We got the bike running all good. We went riding and stuff yesterday. It was running really excellent. I don't have nothing bad to really say about the car. If you guys haven't already, support your boy, everythingsregular.com. Please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let me know what y'all think about the bike. I'm actually about to go check out my new our new spot, and it's got the garage and everything, man. So I may give y'all a little tour of that or whatever, but we will probably hop on the bike later on, so I'll get you guys some more content. As for my CVO, we do have the wraparound. It should be done painting within the next couple of days or so. Our front rim is done, so once we go out there, we'll pick up our rim and all that stuff and get all that thing situated. We also, our truck should be done literally this weekend. At least that's what the mechanic told us, man. You know, I can't rush them, man. You can only, you know, they can only work so fast, I guess, and they work on their own time apparently. So, you know, with that being said, man, stay tuned for the next video, and let's hope everything work out this weekend. Hopefully we get the truck back and all that. So stay with your boy, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.